channel. It's your girl Gorgg, and I am back with another makeup tutorial. Today's tutorial is more about the skin and the complexion part of makeup. So I'm focusing mainly on foundation, contour, concealer, how to apply it, how to shape the face. I have a round face and I like to make it look a little bit slimmer, and I'm going to tell you how I achieve that. Before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any videos, you don't miss any vlogs, you don't miss anything, and you can learn how to beat this face so you can stop having to pay, you know, makeup artists every time you want to go out, so you can just be able to sit down and, you know, do this. Now, if you're ready to learn how to achieve this smooth, clean complexion, stick around. Alright, so we're gonna be starting off with this Kat Von D Lock-In Foundation. This used to be like my favorite foundation. Honestly, it's still one of my faves because it has so much coverage. It's such full coverage foundation. I use a damp beauty blender. Like I said, since it's full coverage, I'm not gonna put like too much. Just gonna blend that out. You're gonna keep blending it out until it's like perfect for you, like until it's completely smooth. And this is such a good foundation. I don't know why I stopped using it. I think I started getting too dark. I don't know. I started using it for some reason. Oh, sure. Yes, for that coverage. Ooh. And now I'm gonna go in with my LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Fawn. By the way, check out these nails. I'm gonna take the concealer and put it right under the eye. Oh, yeah. Now for me, because my head is really round, I want to take my concealer up further. God damn. Down the bridge of the nose, right here on the lip, lip it on the chin. I don't really like to highlight my chin too much. And then I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty matchstick in the color Espresso and contour the face. To contour the face, yep. Bring it down here. This helps give my face that look, because my face is so round, so that's why I pulled the concealer up so far, and like I only contour on the sides of my forehead because my forehead is already round, so I'm not trying to round off my face. I'm trying to make it slimmer. And then I'm not gonna contour my nose today. So I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty's contour concealer brush and just go in the dark and just very. This is such a good blender brush. Like, I love this brush to blend on my contour. Like, ooh, let me not use that hand. Bring it down. Because my forehead is huge, so I contour more on my forehead than I conceal because I don't highlight it as much, like I said before. So, I also like to blend out my contour before I blend out my concealer because it's kind of like a beauty hack, beauty trick that you let your concealer say it gives you more coverage. So now I'm going to take that beauty blender and start blending out the concealer. So I'm going to start here. Make sure your beauty blender is damp. Period. That's that Miami lingo. I think I want to go like a little bit brighter under the eye right now for today. Since I'm not doing any eyeshadow and stuff, I'm going to go a little bit brighter. So I'm going to take my Kat Von D concealer in the color D31 Warm. It's a Lock-In concealer as well. All of Kat Von D's all of her products are really full coverage. That's kind of what her brand is all about, with her being originally, I believe she was originally a tattoo artist. Correct me if I'm wrong. And so cover-ups and being able to cover up tattoos is kind of, I think, the inspiration behind her line. And so everything is full coverage. It's very important to follow up after you blend out your concealer as soon as possible with your setting powder, which today I'll be using the Sasha Buttercup, because you don't want your creases, so you don't want to start getting creases in your concealer. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that. You guys can see I'm patting in because I want it to really set this concealer time, okay? I don't want this concealer to move. Even though I'm not going nowhere today at night. I'm gonna wipe this right off and go to bed, but still. I missed this foundation. I don't know why I stopped using it. Now it's time to set the contour. I'm gonna be using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in the color medium to dark. And I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. brush. Contour brush. We're gonna start really. I like it. I'm going for like a really strong, like a real good one. So. Ooh, I'm giving y'all a beat. God damn. I usually don't like for my nose contour to be as dark as my contour, you know, around my face. So I'm going to be using the Black Radiance pressed powder in the color Mahogany and my Sigma E34 brush. You're going to bring that contour right up under the eyebrow. Use it light. Start off light, y'all, like, and build it up. Build everything up. Start off everything real light. The contour, the concealer, everything. All right, now we're going to do our blush, and we're going to be using the blush brush from Real Techniques and our Black Radiance blush powder in the color Warm Berry. This is like the only blush I really use. I don't know why. I want to try this NARS blush. I wonder if I should mix them. I'm using my Warm Berry pressed powder, and I'm going to use a little bit of this NARS blush in the color Orgasm. Ooh, I like that. It kind of has a bit of a shine to it too. Okay, so we're gonna be going today pretty much. Alright, and now since I'm not doing any eyeshadow, I'm just gonna put a little bit of color under the eye with my MAC Brown Script and this e.l.f. brush. Who knows what kind of brush it is. It's pretty much like my Gum Utility brush from Sigma. And now I'm going to use the Sephora Full Action Mascara to get those bottom lashes and those top lashes, honestly. Now I like to put mascara on before putting on my lashes to give the lashes something to really stick to. And today we'll be using the Marissa Elizabeth lash on the eyes. I'm so excited. This is my friend Marissa. I dance with her. It's my baby. I'm so excited to use her lash. Alright, now that we have our lashes on, ooh, I cannot forget to put my mouth on. Now that we have our lashes on, we're going to go ahead and do the highlighter. We're going to take our Real Techniques highlighter brush and our Go Deposit from MAC. Just dip that right in there. Always knock off the excess. You don't want to fall off your face. Ooh, let me show you what we want. I ain't trying to blind y'all. Now, I've always been a huge fan of white eyeliner on the waterline. I love putting waterline on my waterline. Like, it's so pretty. It makes your eyes open up. Like, it makes you look more awake. Alright, now it's time for lips. I'm gonna take a regular brown lip liner that I bought from the hair store and on my lips. And in the middle, we're gonna use one of PS's Velvet Matte Lipsticks. They're like 2 pounds apparently. I look crazy now when I put this gloss on. And now we're gonna top it with my favorite gloss, the Fenty Beauty Gloss. And now we're going to use my favorite setting spray, the Urban Decay All Nighter.